Hi, how you doing? It's 𝗪𝗓𝗄𝗃 here from Audi South Atlanta. Behind me is a 2022 Audi A8 L. L stands for the long wheelbase, which brings you maximum comfort and luxury. Let's show them on the inside. The A8 is actually Audi's flagship car, built on a space frame. It's one of the most luxurious vehicles that you can purchase from Audi. Take a look right here. The AC vents are hidden away when the car is off. Cut it on, and like magic, these things just fold out to reveal the AC vents in here. You do have the two sunroofs up top, one in the front, one in the back, and your passengers in the rear are able to adjust everything on their own. Also, beautiful ambient lighting all through the car and on the back of the seats. This is an A8, so you're going to get all the creature comforts, heated and cooled seats, heads-up display to see the speed in front of you. Also, Audi's easy-to-use infotainment system gives you access to the navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto if you're on a different platform. Let's take a look at the back seats. Back here is really where comfort starts for your rear passengers. Releasing the center console shows out the AC vents for your people in the back. Also, you can also adjust the heated seats and the AC temperature. Everyone gets their own climate, so no matter where you're in the car, you're able to adjust the temperature on your own. And you're also able to drop the screen in the back if you don't want sunlight hitting you. And you can adjust the roof in the front and the shade in the back. Let's take a look at the trunk. So before we open the trunk, if you take a look at the back of the A8L, you have this beautiful light bar going all the way across, full LEDs. Pop the trunk in, massive boot on here, something you would have seen on a movie like Transporter. That's kind of where Audi really showed the brand off a lot, and a lot of people got to know about this vehicle being the Audi A8. My name is 𝗪𝗓𝗄𝗃 with Audi South Atlanta, and nice talking to you.